Hello Internet, welcome to Lakes Universe. We are in Castries, the capital of Saint Lucia, and today we will take a tour around the island. We'll visit some of the most magnificent landmarks that you can find here, the most famous... Yeah, sorry, my nose is... It got burned up. But anyway, we'll visit some of the most famous tourist attractions on the island, maybe get some snorkeling and some swimming in the Caribbean Sea. Some beautiful viewpoints. I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's go. Would you like some sulphur springs? We took an organized tour, as it seemed to be the best option. The public transportation on the island is not very good and doesn't really go where we wanted to go. It was quite expensive, but since it included Saint Lucian lunch and the boat trip, it was better than hiring a taxi. So we live in Castries area, climbing the surrounding hills. There will be nice views, I'm sure, but they're actually mostly shrouded by vegetation. We are in the Caribbean after all. One of the biggest parts of Saint Lucian economy is banana export. This is one of many banana plantations. Wow, the landscape of Saint Lucia is breathtaking, isn't it? So, we are at the viewpoint to see the Lipons. That's the most famous natural landmark here in Saint Lucia. And now we'll take a boat and we will go to the beach. This is located directly between the two mountains. I believe it will be beautiful. We are probably at the most famous beach on Saint Lucia. As you can see, it's located right between the two Pitons and the crystal clear water and the most expensive resort. Overall, this trip in general is quite stressful, but these moments, they're just so relaxing, and I'm so glad I'm not in the freezing Europe. That's cool. That was cool. And we got some punch. That was also cool. And when I say cool, I mean also cold, which was very helpful. But now let's get lunch. So I got already a piece of everything. And there's a lot of stuff. Fish. Saint Lucia is also quite geologically active, so you can enjoy some hot sulphur mud baths, if that's your thing. And this is all for today. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video, like it, and check out my other social media and other videos. See ya!